Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A60, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for whatever content you want to capture, simply hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with a pop-up, and it allows you to capture a scrollable screenshot and share it. Now after a moment this will disappear. Once it does, you can find the actual screenshot that you've captured in your Photos application. So normally it would be located in the Photos tab, like this one. So to find your screenshot you want to navigate to Library, and then Screenshots, which you can see right here, Screenshots. And here is the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.